This is the case of a patient. She was probably in her mid 40s. She's a very successful doctor who obviously, like you can see, didn't remove time for something that mattered to her a lot, which was her smile. There's a lot happening with her front teeth. Firstly, you can see that all the shapes of the teeth are completely different. They are worn out from the edges. They are all of different sizes. She has one tooth missing over here. She has a lot of stains, secondary decay, crowns which were not fitting properly. So she had so much old dentistry done also, which I think needed to be changed to the more newer and modern technologies that are there out there right now. This is her smile. Let's take a closer look at her teeth. This is how her teeth are looking. A lot of things that can be very obviously noticed is the shade of her teeth, which was extremely yellow. All of this staining, which was due to some habits, which obviously with a cleanup could be done away with. The other thing that we noticed is the reason why she was getting all of these chippings on her front teeth is the bite. She had an edge-to-edge bite, at least with her front two teeth, whereby because the top as well as the bottom teeth kept clashing against one another, they were getting worn out. This missing tooth, which can be replaced by an implant. So what we've done in her case is, obviously we've done a thorough cleanup for her, gotten rid of all the superficial stains. Then we dealt with the top as well as bottom front teeth, the number of teeth that was seen when she's smiling, because we wanted to improve the shade of the teeth. So we have dealt with the top as well as the bottom front teeth. What we have managed to do, like you can see over here, is not only have we changed the proportions, the size, the shape of the teeth, we have also managed to give her a better bite, a proper overjet and an overbite that is there in natural teeth. This tooth over here we have restored with an implant. Other than that, the shade again we have really improved, and these are the teeth that were seen when she's smiling, so it doesn't look off at all. The proportions are something that suits her face better. So this is how her before and after smile is looking. These are the final results. So like you can see, she's got a full smile of teeth which are definitely better suiting her facial proportions, facial complexion, and the bite is improved. So this means that the constant wearing away of her teeth that was happening is not going to happen anymore. We have just recently done a 3-year follow-up of this patient, and everything is completely intact. She's been very happy. She's told us all the positive benefits that she's had after this procedure. And yes, she has also been able to, convince other people to get this procedure done, as it's something that's extremely safe and something that benefits you in a very, very big way.